Nobody actually enjoys the smell of stale gasoline and the bone-shaking vibration of a traditional push mower on a humid Saturday morning. You spend hours walking back and forth in straight lines. Then you realize you missed a spot near the flower beds and have to go back. This new breed of premium robot mower from Sunseeker is designed to end that cycle forever. This specific all-wheel drive beast is one of the most advanced entries in the wire-free market. It avoids the massive headache of burying boundary cables around your entire property. No more digging. No more broken wires to find later. Instead, it relies on a sophisticated combination of satellite-based positioning and onboard cameras to navigate your yard. This setup means you can change your garden layout without having to dig up your turf. You just update the map in the app. The power of the drive system is a massive standout feature. Most robotic units get stuck the second they encounter a steep hill or a patch of damp grass. This one handles inclines with the grace of a mountain goat. It keeps its traction where others would just spin their wheels. The cutting deck is equally impressive because it uses a floating design. This allows the blades to move up and down with the terrain. It ensures an even cut even if your lawn is full of bumps and dips. You do not end up with those ugly brown scalped patches on the high points of your grass. Of course, this level of technology comes with a steep price tag and a bit of a learning curve. You have to be incredibly precise when setting up the signal antenna. If it does not have a clear view of the sky, the mower might lose its sense of direction. Some users have found the initial mapping process a bit tedious. The mobile app can occasionally be a source of frustration during firmware updates or when the connection drops. However, once the initial hurdles are cleared, the convenience is undeniable. It operates so quietly that you can run it in the middle of the night. Your neighbors will never even know it is out there working. The automation is where the value truly shines. Because it trims the grass every day, it only takes off a tiny fraction of the blade. This frequent micro-trimming actually makes your lawn thicker and more vibrant over time. It is much better for the health of the soil than hacking off several inches once a week. The obstacle avoidance sensors are sharp enough to spot a forgotten toy or a garden ornament. The machine steers safely around them rather than causing a collision. When the energy runs low, it finds its own way back to the dock for a quick power-up. It resumes the schedule right where it left off. It is a heavy investment for sure. But for anyone with a large, hilly yard, it turns a grueling chore into a background task that you barely even notice. You are basically hiring a full-time gardener that never complains and never needs a lunch break. If you are willing to spend the time on the initial configuration, the reward is a perfectly manicured lawn. It looks great every single day of the year without you ever having to break a sweat. It is about reclaiming your time and letting the machine handle the grunt work while you focus on things that actually matter. You can sit on the porch with a cold drink and watch the robot do its thing. There is a certain satisfaction in seeing a machine solve a problem that has plagued homeowners for decades. It represents a massive shift in how we think about outdoor maintenance. No more gas cans. No more oil changes. Just a clean green lawn that stays looking sharp without any manual effort from your side.